Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD, and GBPUSD is right now trading at 1.2424. This is the current market price. If you look at DXY, US dollar index, then we can see that DXY right now struggling to form higher high. For the last couple of days, DXY or dollar index was extremely bullish. But right after the speech of the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, the scenario changed, the market sentiment changed, because they clearly stated that Fed is not looking for any immediate rate hikes, which changed the complete game, and we saw some correction. DXY recovered again, but right now you can see that the previous crazy buying power is missing right now. So there is a possibility that in the coming days, DXY may go sideways or DXY may also show some correction. And today we have FOMC, so yes, market may show some crazy volatility, so you need to be careful. Especially if you're a beginner, new trader, you don't need to gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, and if you're in a very tight spot right now, not in a position to lose any money, then you should completely avoid news trading. You should observe the market, gain experience, learn from it, but you should avoid gambling. If you have the experience, then that's a different chapter. But yes, you need to be extra careful with all the US dollar positions, not only GBPUSD, but also with gold, Euro USD and others. Okay, now let's talk about GBPUSD. As you can clearly see, that GBPUSD is right now trading inside a downward channel, and in downward channel we mostly get market forming lower lows and lower highs, which signifies that sellers are dominating. On the chart of GBPUSD also we can see a similar scenario. Market is constantly forming lower lows and lower highs, but you can see the market is also approaching a support level. So there is a possibility that market may take some support around 1.2345 and market may try to bounce. So this is a support zone for us. Though market has been forming lower lows and lower highs, next time when GBPUSD will come down, observe the market around 2345, 2350 level. There is a good possibility that market will take support. You can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If you see that market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, will give you the confirmation that buyers are present, and you can easily go for a buy position. 1.2345, 1.2350, this particular level here. So though the market is a downtrend, there is a possibility the market will show a bounce from here. So this is the first trading opportunity on the chart of GBPUSD. And one more thing I would like to add here is that in downward channel, it is very important for the market to hit the line at the bottom. And you can see that the previous low did not hit the line at the bottom here. Okay. And in comparison to the previous low, this low was not very significant. You can see market made a steeper low, but this low was not very steep. So yes, okay, during the day, if dollar shows a fall, if DXY shows correction, then you may also find GBPUSD going up as well. As the market was in downtrend for the last couple of days, so there is a there are multiple resistances. Okay, there are multiple resistances on the chart because the market was in downtrend for the last couple of days. For example, you can see multiple moving averages are present, and all the moving averages will act as dynamic resistance. But the significant one, okay, the significant resistance is around 1.2536. This is the most significant resistance, or you can also consider 1.2530, because we have Fibonacci 50% retracement, as well as we have previous resistance around this area. So in case market shows good volatility, good volume also, market will face some selling pressure around this area. If market reverses, you can definitely look for a sell position around 1.2536, 1.2530 level. But this level is quite far away. Before that, we also have some selling opportunity around 1.2500 to 1.2490. Around this level, we will see some sellers present. Okay, 1.2500, 1.2590. First of all, 1.2500 is a round number, so it is a psychological resistance. And secondly, again, we also can see previous price rejection around this area, as well as FIBO 38% retracement level. So on the chart of GBPUSD, these are two levels where you can expect some selling pressure, some sellers to be present around this area. Okay, so if market goes up, shows upside during the day, if market is out of the downward channel, you can expect some selling pressure around this area. If market reverses according to our expectation, you can look for a sell. And on the other hand, if market does not go up and starts falling, then obviously you can look for some support around 1.2350, 1.2345 level. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. That's it. Okay. And as I always say, confirmation is always important because it is our hard-earned money, so it is very important to protect it, isn't it? So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so do not gamble. Okay, and be careful during be careful during the event. Okay, and as you can also see that we also have CPI or GBP after a few hours, so you need to be extra careful that time also. And Bank of England governor daily speaks, so that will also may bring some volatility. So GBP USD will be under radar, under focus, so do not trade without stop loss. That will be like a suicide. If you're not sure about the timings, then go to any economic calendar, you'll find a timing, or you can simply go to forexfactory.com. In my country, it is showing that CPI news is coming up around 11:30 a.m. I stay in India, and the speech will be around 3 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. If you don't know how to adjust it, simply go to forexfactory.com, click on the time here, and select the time zone. Select the time zone according as per your country, and it will show the time. So this is how you do it. And secondly, don't think that if you're using stop loss, so you are protected, because in market, when there is extreme volatility, there is a problem of slippage. Maybe there is a stop loss that you have placed, but due to extreme volatility, the stop loss may not get hit. So be careful. Bye bye.